Project code ITIMP04. Project title Detection and Classification of the Cardiac Vascular Disease and Diabetic Macular Edema using Convolutional Neural Network. Our aim of our project detect the fundus diseases using convolutional neural network to identify the disease and treatment and analyze the diseases. Our project we used two types of diseases. One is macular edema and another one is cardiac vascular disease vascular disease with the use of fundus images. So we used CNN to classify the disease. Here we used detection process and classification process. In existing, they used deep neural network model to detect the eye vessel image for making and identify the disease in the fundus image. In existing drawbacks, the segmentation is not accurate detect accurately detect. So we move for another model to detect some less accuracy and is a very bulky process. Our proposed model we used neural network convolutional neural network is to analyze the images visual images to analyze the visual images like it consists three layers. One is convolutional layer, ReLU layer, and pooling layer. With the help of these layers, to detect the features from the image. With the features, we detect the images which kind of disease will be affect the fundus. First advantage, more accuracy and a highly efficiency model and a fast and a reliable system. Existing techniques, deep CNN. In deep CNN as a different CNN models will be there. They used AlexNet to detect the image. In AlexNet, it need more hardware support to analyze the diseases. In proposed model, CNN is a easy model and designing process also easy. And finally, error is less, more accuracy. The black diagram. First, you take an input, fundus image. Next step, this image will be 3G 3D image like it. And next is pre-processing. In pre-processing, we we used to convert the images like adding a filter or RGB conversion or color conversion is be done in the pre-processing step. And next step is component extraction. It's a use of morphological function to detect the component from the fundus image. That component is a vessel from a image. That vessel is a component. And next step is a macular edema. In macular detection is a process done with the use of fundus images. And finally we create the different CNN for detection. Diabetic macular edema for CNN1 and cardiac vascular for CNN2. And next application, main application is a early detection, and the next is a diagnosis, operating, treatment, and the segmentation plays an important role in medical field. So we also segment the images. And next, to achieve the accurate segmentation, in futurely they used in different layer to detect the disease and also detect the new diseases. And finally we used 2018 a MATLAB version to detect the disease. Why using this software means easy to understand and learn. So only we used the MATLAB version. And next is the open free toolboxes. In hardware operating system 64-bit is enough to make the project. And next conclusion. In conclusion, in the project we done to detect the cardiac vascular disease and macular edema with the use of CNN. Thank you.